All right, so we out in the park today and had this question so many times, so I figured why not make a video about it, right? Why did I get my headlights tinted on my 27 Kia Telluride SX? One, I guess not one, first thing, I wanted to, personal choice, right? The guy who did my PPF, he recommended it to me, and once he showed me some of the results, I was like, yo, that's pretty dope. So got it done because I wanted it. Is it legal? No. Short answer, no. Longer answer, it is legal if you have clear coat. So if you're doing a clear tint, perfectly legal in your state. Well, I guess in my state, perfectly legal. If you're making it darker or changing the color of the tint, that's when it becomes illegal. As far as me worrying about it, absolutely not. We break laws every single day. You just have to choose for yourself which law are you willing to extend that you're gonna break. Again, I'll leave that up to you as far as which law and how you go about breaking laws. I'm not saying break laws, I'm just saying if I listen to every single no, or if I followed every single rule book in the law book, every single rule in the law book, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. So use that to your discretion, put two and two together how you need to. But this is one that I'm willing to say, yo, I'll break the law for this. Because it's not that much of a difference. Does it shade? Let's say if it throws out 10 feet of light without the tints. Again, I'm just exaggerating, I don't know the numbers. This I'm gonna say is probably gonna take it down to 8 feet of throw or 8.5. Is it drastically changing the throw? Absolutely not. You can still see during the daytime, as right now, as you can see the ambient lights is out. And then I'm gonna come back at night and show you guys that at night, nothing changes as far as like what I can see, and most importantly, who can see me. I'm about 20 feet away from the car right now, and I'm gonna pan over to the parking lot, and I purposely picked this empty parking lot with no lights, no additional lights, so you can see that anything being lit right now is by my car's headlights. So again, you can tell that the throw is exactly the same. As far as headlights, as far as ambient light, all of it is pretty much the same. Is it dimmer? If we're going from 100%, it probably gives me 80, 85%. Yeah, it's gonna dim a bit. And again, I don't know the numbers, so don't hold me to it. I'm just being exaggerating right now. I'm exaggerating numbers right now. But it does not affect my driving. It does not affect other people seeing me coming down the road. And it does not affect even when I'm by myself on the road and what I can see in front of me. Everything's still perfectly fine and normal. I love it. I'm glad I did it, and I'm gonna keep it that way. And in a few years, if I don't pass emissions, I think oh, that was another question. What happens when you pass it, when you have to take emissions? We'll deal with it when it comes to then. I don't even think the person who's doing the emissions will notice this. That's how I feel about it. I feel like I'll take my chances again. I don't even think they're gonna notice that. But if they do, it is what it is. But again, I'm almost sure no one's gonna notice that. Even a cop going down the street, you would have to see them side by side to know there's even a difference. And I highly doubt there's gonna be a police officer who's even gonna notice that, yo, is that tinted, or that gotta be some kind of, that ain't gonna happen. Again, I'll take my chances. This is the throw pitch brightness, I would say, that will come out of this at nighttime. Again, I can perfectly see the same exact way, so it's not like I'm purposely being arrogant or ignorant, I should say, not arrogant, ignorant towards the road, as far as if I thought this was just a cool look and it was really being a hazard where I really couldn't see in front of myself. Look or not, if that was something that was really realistically impending the danger of people and let alone myself, I would never do it. But just letting you guys know in real time, it's not really drastic of a difference, let alone a difference at all if I can tell, to be honest. But everything seems just as normal to me. But yeah, so I hope you guys did appreciate this real-time test that I did from day to night. And as again, I hate to mention this, but in our community, following and liking and giving a comment does a lot of justice for us. So if you did find this helpful, whether if you want to still argue with me or not, go ahead and leave a comment so we could respectfully argue with each other or agree with each other. But in the meantime, between time, I do appreciate everybody tuning in. Have a great one. Holla. Let me just finish this off, act like I'm gonna get in this car, drive away. And of course I gotta come back to my camera and all that, right? But might as well make it look good. So, holla. All that just to reverse and go grab my camera, right? I don't know how the hell people do this, all this content thing all day, every day with their tripod. Outside, like at stores and all that stuff. I couldn't do that. But Oh well, we gonna stop this camera. All right, I got the key.